he had facilitated the legal recognition when he was crafting the Constitution of India, where he gave women equal citizenship. He granted women the right to divorce, the right to inheritance, the right to study, and the right to live their life free in the modern India. So I think whenever we talk about Women's Day, we always talk about like how much uh, women have tolerated over the years.
Everyone, please follow, like, share, comment, and subscribe the Samyak Kranti channel. Thank you.
Hello and Jai Bhim to everyone. I would first like to wish everyone a very happy International Women's Day. I'm Meghna Gaikwad from Rostock, Germany. I've recently moved to Germany as I got an opportunity to do my PhD in biological oceanography at Leibniz Institute of Baltic Sea Research, Warnemünde. So I'm basically from Pune, India, and I have completed my master's in biotechnology from Savitribai Phule Pune University. As we know, Savitribai Phule Pune University was formerly known as Pune University, but in 2015 it was renamed in commemoration of Savitribai Phule. As on this occasion of Women's Day, we all know that Savitribai Phule has done so much and for women's and women empowerment. She is considered as a feminist icon in India, and we know in past Savitribai Phule along with her husband Jyotirao Phule have done so much for Indian women, and especially women from backward classes. They started and first Indian girls school which was run by Indians. So Savitribai Phule's appeal to women was go get education in particular, and to people from backward classes. So Savitribai Phule, as we all know, they like laid a basic foundation for all the women in India to like go and first get the basic right, which is education. We have been given this opportunity by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar to get educated, to who has made education so easily accessible to us. Different schemes in education which provide women, especially from our caste, to go out and study. We have like this different schemes, like even when I was trying to apply internationally, we have different schemes for student from our background who can get scholarship, especially SC and ST student. We can get scholarship to go abroad and study internationally, which is a good thing because we are not only competing in India, but we are also competing at a global level. You can now see even globally women are doing such great deal now. Like you can see in US the vice president is an Indian woman, and also when you consider recently the Mars rover, the whole mission was completed by an Indian woman. So she was the in charge of the women. So when we look up to them, we should always feel proud and get inspired by these women. So women's are everywhere. You can find them everywhere now, like smallest thing like driving an auto rickshaw to driving to like making possible to land a rover on Mars. So they are going places, they are everywhere. Like they are in sports like PT Usha, Sania Nehwal, and in everywhere like Indira Gandhi, Pratibha Tai Patel, like in politics, everywhere. So women have proved that there's nothing that they can't do. So I think we all should look up to all these women's and see how much we can progress and get out of this societal rituals and customs and not confine ourselves to anything. All this great leaders like Savitribai Phule, Jyotirao Phule, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, they have done so much for us so that we are now easily getting education and everything. So we should take whole opportunity and utilize all these opportunities that we have and make the use of this fullest and get educated and be ourselves and make our own identity. I would also like to again wish everyone a very happy Women's Day, and I would like to thank each and every woman in my life, be it my mother or my grandma, my sisters, my friend, and everyone who have made me what I'm today and helped me to reach these positions, my teachers and also my family, my dad, uncle, everyone, but especially the women in my life who have always inspired me to do and achieve more and be independent. I would like to thank them. And I would also like to thank Samyak Kranti channel for giving me this opportunity to reach out to everyone and wish everyone this happy International Women's Day. I guess this Women's Day we have this new concept and new theme, which is go get challenged. So we should go and challenge ourselves and challenge every person that thinks a woman is low or a woman can't do anything. We should challenge them and we should prove them that we are a person, we have equal rights as a man, and we can create our own identity. Thank you and Jai Bhim.